Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese using fresh milk. First, select fresh, high-quality milk, ideally unpasteurized for the best results. Gently warm the milk to a precise temperature, usually around 90 degrees Fahrenheit, to create an optimal environment. Next, introduce a starter culture, which contains beneficial bacteria, to the warmed milk. This crucial step initiates the acidification process, laying the foundation for your delicious homemade cheese. Once the starter culture has worked its magic, it's time for coagulation. Carefully add rennet to the milk, which will cause it to solidify and form a firm curd. Let the milk rest undisturbed for approximately 45 to 60 minutes until a clean break is achieved. Then, using a long knife, gently cut the firm curd into small, uniform cubes, usually about 1/2 inch in size. This step is vital for expelling whey later. After cutting, the curds need to be cooked. Slowly and gently heat the curds and whey, stirring continuously to ensure even cooking and prevent them from sticking together. Maintain the temperature, typically between 95 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 minutes. This process helps the curds firm up and release more whey. Once cooked, carefully transfer the curds into a cheesecloth-lined colander to drain the remaining whey. With the whey drained, it's time to press your cheese. Place the curds into a cheese mold and apply weight, pressing for several hours to expel any remaining moisture. Remember to flip and repress the cheese periodically to ensure a consistent shape and texture. Finally, the cheese enters its aging phase. Store it in a cool, humid environment for weeks or even months, allowing its unique flavors and characteristics to fully develop. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.